This session is about entering parts and labor bill. Most of the time you will have PDF received from the workshop. Let us see how you can bring the data from PDF. Choose the survey report number. Click on PDF to Excel. Very important point to note. You need to go to paste special and then copy it. In case if you did normal copy, see what is happening. You will see the columns merged. Drop down shows in red. Undo it immediately. You can use Ctrl Z for undo. Copy rest of the applicable columns one by one. Depending on the stage of preparation, fill in estimate or actual bill. When you paste quantity and rate, the value is calculated automatically. After pasting all the columns, compare totals. If the totals are not matching, you can paste the value in Excel and compare it one by one. Important point to note. In case you paste value in a formula column, see what is happening. You will see an error. You just remove the values. Automatically the formula will come back. Now let us see how assist quantity and rates are entered. You can just copy bill quantities and rate to assist column. Make the necessary changes. You also need to update other columns as well. The first column is to define whether it is parts or labor. Choose P for parts and L for labor. Below parts you can also enter all the labor. In reports it will appear separately. Work types are applicable for labor. You can define or redefine existing work types. Make the necessary changes here. If the drop-down values are raw in red color appears. Make necessary changes. There are two columns to fill categories. One is defined for IMT policies. To make the entries quick, you can do copy and paste. But make sure that the formats are taken care. The type of components also needs to be updated. The depreciation calculation is done automatically based on the vehicle age. It also checks whether the policy type is a package. Since depreciation is not applicable for this policy, depreciation is calculated as 0. You can choose the workshop from the drop-down and enter bill number and date. The bill serial number can be generated by dragging the cursor down. The application also shows the variation between estimation and actual bill. Let me demonstrate that by entering some values for a part. If everything done, go ahead and submit the details. The data goes to another sheet. If you want to make any changes, you can edit it. Let me show you how you can edit. Depending on the number of rows, it will take some time. Do not interrupt during this operation. Do not cancel or dismiss. Please be reminded that if you break in between, you will lose the data. Wishing you an effortless bill entry with maximum accuracy.